Hello, welcome to Tiny Lego and Brick Build. Today I'll show you how to build a tabletop spinner or party game spinner. If you want to build a party game spinner, the rules are be the last one to make the cup spill. Let's get started. So you want to start with the 32x32 base. And then you want to build this little thingy, which is a 4x4 plate, tiled around, just like this, with a piece that spins in the middle. I'll quickly show you how to build this. So you want two 1x4 tiles and put it on a 4x4 plate, just like this. And then you also want to smoothen out the other two bits here using smooth pieces. I didn't have any 1x2 flat pieces, so I just used grill pieces, but they work the same. Then you want to put this spinning piece that looks like this on the bottom and this on the top. Put that in the middle, and then you want to put this in the, and centre it. A good way to do it is to start counting the studs, how many you are away on all sides. So I'm just going to quickly do that. I just counted and you need 14 studs from each. After you've done that, you want 4 16x16 plates with studs connected at the bottom. You want to put them in the shape of a 32x32 base plate, and then tile it off to make it, to really sturdify it and brickify it. Then you just want to carefully centre the base plate spinning top and carefully align the two pieces so then you can't see any of the grey studs or just the studs on your 32x32 base plate. After you put that on, you've officially made yourself a tabletop spinner or your don't spill the cup party game. Let's now test it with the cups. Approved. Take 2. So if you want to win the party game, spin it slow. If you want to lose for some reason or just want to do this as a